Hi, Professor Hoyt. Thank you so much for allowing all of us to do this opportunity through video. And today I'm going to be talking about topsoil and what exactly soil is and why topsoil is so important. And also my favorite type of soil and why it is my favorite and why I think it's so cool. So to get started, soil can be found on every surface on Earth. Clay loam, sandy clay loam, volcanic ash is considered soil, like just amazing stuff like that. Basically anything where life can be found and organisms can grow can be considered soil. So the definition is actually a mixture of eroded rock, minerals, decaying matter, water, living organisms, and air, which is actually really cool. So like basically you can find soil anywhere. Second, there are many different types of soil that allow different types of plants and organisms to grow. That's why in West Texas we can easily grow cotton, and in closer to Central East Texas it's easier to grow corn and wheat, soybeans, stuff like that. Because there's different types of soil and it helps those crops grow, and that's awesome. So topsoil is part of the A horizon, which is one of two top layers. It contains bacteria, fungi, earthworms, insects that create food webs. I'm so sorry about my nephew. I'm watching him. He's banging on the door. Topsoil is followed by subsoil in the B horizon and and material in the C horizon, parent material in the C horizon. Very important, topsoil is very important to food production and is a renewable source, which is kind of crazy to me because you think about topsoil and you don't know if topsoil can be renewable, but it actually can. Topsoil erosion has three major effects that are loss of soil fertility, water pollution, and soil pollution. It takes 100 years to form 1 centimeter of topsoil. So that's kind of a downfall to it being renewable, but it still is renewable. And that's why a lot of farmers will do crop rotation to kind of preserve the soil in that field. Or just other methods are put in place in farming practices to help just kind of sustain soil. My favorite type of soil actually is the andesite soil because it is found like Europe, a lot of coastal places where there's volcanoes, because it's like a mixture of volcanic ash, and it's super cool. I just think that that's super awesome that like life can be found there close to volcanoes, and like that's the type of soil. And basically, yeah, that's topsoil, and it's how it's so important to us, especially to farmers. Just by growing crops and getting those done. And thank you.